going on, guys? I'm finna try something new today. I'm gonna see how this works. I was being a little money cheap. No, I ain't gonna say cheap. My wife hate when I say that, but I just seen they had chicken drumsticks for $5. I said, that was live for $5. I was going to get some breasts to do what I want to do, but I said this time I'm gonna try it with this and see how it work out. If not, we're gonna eat it anyway. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna shred some cheese. I'm gonna do some pork skin crumbs, and I'm gonna dip them in eggs and roll them in the cheese. Then I'm gonna roll them in the bread. Pork skin. When I grind these down into crumbs, I just seen it on YouTube, and I said we're gonna try that today. So first thing I'm gonna do is see. We bought a little grinder. Ooh, look at that, y'all. We're gonna see how this works. We're gonna grind down this, then we're gonna crush these up, and then we're gonna see. Let's see how a grinder works first, though. Let me cut this open, and let's see how this all works out. We got all our spices out there. Slap your mama. Cajun Creole, seasoned salt, onion pepper, and garlic pepper. So we're gonna see how all that works out. But the first thing I'm gonna do, I don't know how this gonna work, so y'all don't laugh at me. Oh, there we go. Oh, shucky, y'all. Y'all see that? I got cheese. We got shredded cheese. All right, let's see, y'all. Oh, shit. Look. We figured it out, y'all. We figured it out. As long as I don't put my fingers in there. If I don't put my fingers in there, we're going to be all right. Let's see what happens. Ooh-wee. Oh, it worked pretty good, y'all. All right. So I ain't going to bore you with that real quick. I'm going to shred a little bit more. Then we're going to come back and we're going to see how we're going to make these into crumbs. We're going to figure something out. Smash it, have it, put it in the bag. Remember why we're going to figure out something. So we'll maybe try this if it works. But let me do a little bit of cheese and then I'll get back with you, all right? Peace. Got our cheddar cheese all shredded. Did pretty good. All right, don't laugh. Let's see how this works. If I ain't gonna call them bread crumbs. We're gonna call them skin crumbs. Suck it. Make a little mess. Ain't nothing I can't clean up. You know, if ain't a little mess, it ain't right. Ain't a little tough. This sucker get them, though. Ooh-wee. Oh, shucky. That's all I got. Might have to take all these, y'all. Let's try another. Let's see. It's a little bad little sucker right here, y'all. It's called kitchen. I want to say it's a kitchen grinder. I ain't gonna bore y'all with the rest. I'm gonna do the rest of these up real quick, and then we're gonna see. But we about to have a little more fun, and we'll get back with you when I do kitchen grinder. All right, y'all. We coming up, y'all. Like, subscribe, comment. We'll be right back. Thank you. Peace. Like I said, we in this together right now. We don't know how this gonna come out, but sometimes you just can't keep eating baked chicken. You want to try something different. That's what I'm trying to do. We're gonna do this together. We got our shredded sharp cheddar cheese. We got our air raised pork grinds all grinded up to like crumbs, grind, what do you call them? Not bread crumbs. We're gonna call these pork grind crumbs. We're gonna put them on the chicken. We got my eggs. And one thing I forgot, I got my bacon in the oven. We're gonna put some bacon in here too. But right now, I'm gonna take this chicken over to the sink and wash it off real good. And once I wash it off real good, I'll be right back and we'll start putting this together and we'll see what we got, y'all. All right? So give me a minute. Go wash this off, come right back, and let's see what we gonna have, y'all. We're gonna do some baked chicken covered in cheese and crumbs and see what happens. Peace. All washed off. We finna go for it. We finna see. We're gonna season it up first. We're gonna put some good seasoning on it. A lottery sauce. Lottery seasoning salt. You know we gotta put a little slap your mama on it. Oh yeah, just get a little seasoning. A little spice, a little Creole. All right, here we go, y'all. This gonna be something new. I don't know how we gonna do this, but we gonna do it, y'all. No matter, y'all, I don't think you can mess those legs up no matter how you look at it. They still gonna be eatable. But just trying to do something different. You know, you get bored with the same old bake. There's a lot of different recipes you can use. We're gonna flip them over. Same process. Woo. Oh yeah. Season them up. You know you get to eat these, you're gonna need about 4 of these, 3, 4 of these. That's why I got a bunch of them. They go down so good. And they were $5, y'all. We got all these for $5. I thought I was at the $5 store. They had $5 bacon, $5 ham, steak ham, and believe me, I bought them all. So y'all gonna be seeing chicken and bacon and the ham for a while. All right, got my eggs in the bowl. We're gonna mix these up. All right. And I'm gonna get my tray. We're gonna get our dipping stuff ready and we're gonna see what happens, y'all. Give me a minute, I'll be right back. All right, y'all. Let's just see how this gonna turn out. I'm all set up here some kind of way. We're gonna egg it. We're gonna cheese to see if the cheese stick to it. I don't know if it's gonna stick to it. We're gonna have to mash it on it a little bit and see if it works. And we're gonna put some crumbs on it. And then we're just gonna sit it on the tray. I don't know how this gonna work, y'all. We're gonna try to have cheese on every bite, but I don't even know. Is this gonna stick? Oh, it look like it's sticking. It might be sticky, y'all. Y'all see what we're doing, though. Got to press it on there pretty good. And And then just put some the crumbs on there. They working. All right, y'all see that? Y'all see what they look like? Oh, shoot, y'all. Look at them. I don't know what kind of flavor it's going to be, but it's going to be something different. I know every now and then, excuse me, we need to do something different. And so you won't be getting bored. I'll be taking this to lunch. Yes, I will. Ooh. I hope they come out crunchy as they look. All right, guys. And then I'll be back in a minute once I finish so we can look at it before we put it in the oven for 20 minutes, 25 minutes. Let's take one last little look. If you want to do this at home, get you some eggs, some shredded cheese, and get you some pork skins and grind them up and flour them up like you would do and just stick them on there and look at it. And we're going to see what they go in the oven come out. All right? I'll be back when I finish the rest of these. All right? Peace. Like, subscribe, comment, and hit your notification button for some more bangers. We'll be right back going down in Milwaukee with some chicken. Don't know what to call it yet, but chicken smothered with chicken with cheese and bacon bits and eggs. We don't know what to call it. We're going to come up with something with y'all, all right? Peace. All right, y'all. That's what it looks like. It look good, don't it, y'all? We finna put it in the oven, give it 20, 25 minutes, and we gonna see what we get with the chicken delight. And we gonna see what it is, y'all. Going down in Milwaukee. Let's take a look. With chicken legs, cheese, and crumbs. All right, let's see. Going in the oven. All right, y'all. Here we go. Going in. I'm not ready yet. I'm not ready. Here we go. It's going in. Chicken going in the oven. All right, we see you in a little bit. Cross your fingers. Hope it turned out good. Ooh, it'll be some good chicken. Yeah. Fish fingers. Peace, y'all. We out of here. All right, y'all, here we go. Final moment. Ooh. Just cross our fingers. I don't even know what to expect. Ooh, y'all, look at that. Lord have mercy. They came out, y'all. They came out. I'm ready. What the chicken say? I'm ready. Let's put them down and see y'all. Y'all see them, y'all. Y'all see them like I see them. Look at them, y'all. Lord have mercy. Look at them. Can y'all see them from there? This pan is hot. I just gotta lift them up. Look at them, y'all. Legs going down in Milwaukee with cheese and crumbs on them. Let's see. Let's see. I gotta see. Y'all gotta try it, y'all. I didn't think it was gonna turn out. But one thing, I had them on 350, and they did take about an hour to cook. About an hour 10. They took longer than I thought they was gonna take. But, as you can see, look at them. Look how they turned out. They turned out beautiful. Wow. They got the crispy, they got the cheese. The skins, the pork skins stayed on there pretty good. The season is good. They good, guys. I know I'm dropping stuff. They good. I ain't right eating with us. I'm eating and talking. That's not good, dear. I can't stop. It's like one after another and another. All right, y'all. If you like this video, comment, subscribe, make it at home. See what you like. You see what the ingredients I use: the cheese, the eggs, the crumbs from the skin, pork skins. Are something new. We did it. Came out. You see it yourself. Only thing to do is eat it now, y'all. Subscribe, like, and comment. Going down in Milwaukee, Wisconsin with another banger. Peace. We out of here.